Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BMSN. We will take a look at the daily time frame. If you follow the videos, you know I've done this one many times before, and the last time I did it, I drew these lines. That's why I left these on here, and I talked about how it had a symmetrical triangle, and it was just a matter of kind of waiting to see which direction the price was going to go. And here you had basically a false breakout up here. The bulls did break through, but by the time the closing bell had rung, just too much profit taken and so forth. And then you can see this led into basically what we've been seeing the past 3 days now. So this, although this day was green, the action on this day you can see has then transpired into these past 3 days. So I've had a ton of questions come in, ask me what's going on with the chart and where are support levels and so forth. But the chart certainly does need to be updated. And unfortunately for the bulls, you can see that for whatever reason, I don't know, but the pattern broke to the downside here, and then you can see the effects of that now as the price has gotten a little bit out of control. So now it's just a matter of trying to figure out where some potential bounce points may be. So the first area of support that the price, and to be honest, I'm not sure if this is a support or resistance, so okay, technically still a level of support, is right here at this previous high, which was 0062. So this is an area that was tested today, and you can see it did act as support, so that was a good sign. Following this level, another potential bounce area is going to be down here at this low, and I'll explain where all these come from. I'm going to make this line a little bit thicker because this certainly holds more importance in terms of a support level, and that level is based at 0045. You can see here acted as resistance, then when the price did get above it, came back here, back tested it, acted as support, and then really kind of launched the price up to there. So that's 0045. And then after that, you have the 200-day simple moving average, which is this yellow line here, and that's at 0037. And that's pretty much the must-hold level, because if the price closes below here, now it's below all of its moving averages, and that basically, I don't want to say destroys the chart, but puts a pretty big dent into it that would be hard to recover from. So if the price were to close below here, it's one of those situations where the bulls would need to get back up above there, ASAP and as quickly as possible. So that's just something to keep in mind. Obviously, it's still up here, so who knows? Maybe it won't even test it. Maybe this is the end of it right here, and it'll bounce from there. But in terms of must-hold support levels, no excuses. Definitely down here at 0037. In terms of resistances, priority number one is this purple line here, the 50-day simple moving average. I've talked about this for a long time as being, the good thing about it is how the price has been above it, so that's been a key level of support. Now that the price has closed below it, 0075 is the near-term level of resistance. After that, another level is going to be right around here. And I say right around here because if you look at where all these lows are, none of them hit the exact same, so you kind of just got to eyeball it and split the difference. But I'll call that 0087, so that would be another level of resistance on any sort of bounce. So if the price bounces, use these initial two levels to kind of gauge the strength of the bounce, and I'm sure I'll be back to update things as this unfolds. But for now, these are the potential bounce points and levels that you want to see hold if you're in this for the longer term chart. So if there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our newsletter up there. When you do that, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it as a trader in your strategy and make an investment into your education as a trader, I'd encourage you to check out our video course down there. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching, but getting great third-party reviews. So I encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was BMSN. Thanks for listening.